Muscle stretch reflex is a monosynaptic reflex with the functional role of maintaining a muscle at a particular desired length. It involves afferent and efferent neurons, where the afferent neuron detects muscle stretch as it's connected to muscle spindles, whereas the efferent causes the reflex contractions after a monosynaptic connection, where the muscle twitches can be seen during the patellar reflex test. The mechanism that controls muscle stretch reflex is feedback control, where muscle spindles detect a change in muscle stretch. The rate of discharge of the spindles will translate to the necessary excitability of motor neurons, initiating an appropriate contraction response. This muscle contraction acts to restore the muscle to the initial desired length. During a patellar reflex test, the stretching of the patellar tendon also slightly stretches the quadriceps. This slight stretch stimulates the muscle spindles. This results in afferent neurons sending impulses to the spinal cord. Afferent neurons synapse into efferent motor neurons which stimulate the quadriceps, or interneurons which inhibit the antagonist muscles. The purpose of a stretch reflex is for balance and stability. For a muscle stretch reflex to occur, signals do not need to be relayed back to the brain, as the reflex is controlled entirely by muscle spindles which communicate with sensory signals. When muscle stretch reflex testing is done, the main reason is to test for neurological or sensory system function, not for issues with the spinal cord. Muscle stretch reflexes are advantageous as they reduce the processing requirements of higher centers, due to being controlled at the spinal level, not the brain. Another significant outcome of these reflexes is that it allows for regulation of muscle spindle sensitivity, which ensures that motor commands reach the target muscles and the reflex contractions can occur.